Hi guys, this is Sivaredi. Welcome to Success Root. Today we are discussing one more DAX function, that is selected value. This selected value will return it as a single column value that which we have selected on slicer, Okay, if we haven't selected any kind of value in slicer, if we haven't selected anything in slicer, then it will return it as a blank value. Now, this we will see into practical approach. See here, I have extracted financial data into Power BI. See, now I am taking slicer as a country column. Let's see, in this country slicer, whatever the thing I will select, that it need to show into card visual. Like if I select Canada country, it need to show into Canada. If I select France, it need to display it as a France. If I select Germany, it need to display it as a Germany. So that purpose, the selection purpose, we can use it as a this selected value function. Let's see now how we can write it as a practical. See, this selected value function will return it as a single value so that we can use it as a new measure. Like measure name also I'm using it as a selected country equal to, here I'm writing the function is selected value. Here, see, as per the syntax, like the selected value function will allows it as a two arguments, two parameters. One is the column name and second one is that alternate result. This alternate result they has mentioned in square bracket. As I said, these square brackets, whatever the things they has mentioned, that is optional. The square bracket, whatever the information, whatever the thing they has mentioned, that is optional. So that I'm not mentioning, I'm passing only one argument. That is, here I have taken it as a slicer as a country column. So here also I'm taking it as a country column. So simply my measure is created. Now I'm displaying this measure. For that, I'm taking it as a card visual. See here, I'm selecting this and see, as I said theoretically, like if we haven't selected anything in slicer, by default, it will show it as a blank. So now if we select anything in this particular column, it will show that value. So now we need to understand, like see here, France, Canada, whatever the value we will select, that particular column slicer, that it will return to us. Okay, see here if I take this another slicer, that is product. If I select anything here, it won't show. Why? Because of we have created measure for country column only. The financial country column, whatever the thing we will select, that it will show into that measure, that it will return to us. So this, to getting the selected value of particular column, we can use it as a selected value function. See Here, if we haven't selected anything, then it is showing it as a blank. Instead of showing that blank, if we want to get it as an alternative result, we need to change the expression. See that alternate value we need to pass. Like the alternate value, I'm passing it as a all countries. All otherwise I'm mentioning it as a all. See, that is the my expression. See, simply it will written it as a all. All. All it will written to us. See, if we select anything, that it will return. If we haven't selected anything, then it will return it as a Mexico. In next video, we will see that how to implement it as a dynamic title with the help of this selected value function.